Hello, my wonderful students, and welcome to this final challenge lecture. In this lecture, I will have 3 challenges for you. The first challenge is to try to use your Bash shell in substitution of your graphical user interface for the next 24 hours. The best way to learn how to do something is precisely that, to just do it. So go ahead and try to use your Bash shell for both work and in your free time, and at the end of those 24 hours, I think you'll find you're quite a bit better at it. The second challenge is to create an account on Kaggle.com and download a dataset that you find interesting. Please analyze the dataset with whatever tools you have at your disposal, whether they be Excel or Pandas or some other data analysis tool, and then feel free to share your findings in the Q&A section. Finally, you all have learned a ton in this course, but there is so much to learn about data science. So keep buying courses on Udemy or watching YouTube videos or exploring the things that you are interested in as they are related to data science. So thank you all so much for watching this challenge lecture, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Until then, happy learning.